I want to do this is the gauges you get from Harbor Freight, refrigeration gauges. They're very cheap, and the quality is limited. It works pretty good. I would not try to earn a living with these. It would never work. If you're trying to, your job is that. This is a good set, Yellow Jacket. This is for an R22 system. The new ones are for 410 R22, and you probably want to buy one of those nowadays. This is for R22 also. I'm not sure if they handle a set that will do 410A or not. But the main reason why I bought this set is because these couplers, these actually go onto the car 134A systems, and that's the main reason why I bought them, to get those couplers. So you have them ready to go and they can actually fit on your car. This is like a hobbyist or do-it-yourselfer kind of set of gauges. They will suffice if you need limited air conditioning or refrigeration work. They will suffice. They will get it done. I have used them. Like I said, I got them for the fittings, and got them quite a while ago. But I'll have to check to see if they have a 410A system. But the quality is, reasonable. But they are cheap. You have to understand that they're not going to be a professional set. And for a car setup, I'd say they probably work pretty good. But you may be able to work on your central air unit. So I'd probably go ahead and recommend these to be bought if you need a cheap set of gauges. So that's my review.